The big magnesium. Mistakes people are making. Magnesium is one of the most essential minerals for the human body, playing a vital role in over 300 biochemical processes, including muscle function, nerve signaling, and heart health. Despite its importance, many people are unknowingly making critical mistakes when it comes to their magnesium intake, leading to potential health issues. In this video, we will explore the biggest magnesium mistakes people make and how to avoid them. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this content, please take a moment to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Doing so helps more people discover the channel. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making changes to your diet or supplement regimen. Now, let's dive into the biggest magnesium mistakes and how to correct them. 1. Not getting enough magnesium. One of the most common mistakes is not consuming enough magnesium daily. Studies show that a significant percentage of people suffer from magnesium deficiency due to poor dietary habits and modern food processing methods that strip away this vital mineral. A magnesium deficiency can lead to symptoms such as fatigue, muscle cramps, headaches, poor sleep, and even anxiety. The recommended daily intake of magnesium varies based on age and gender, but generally, adults need between 300 and 420 milligrams per day. To prevent deficiency, incorporate magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes into your diet. 2. Relying only on diet to get magnesium. While a balanced diet can provide a good amount of magnesium, many factors can reduce magnesium absorption, such as stress, excessive caffeine or alcohol intake, and soil depletion in modern farming practices. Because of these factors, some people may need to supplement their magnesium intake to meet their daily requirements, especially if they experience symptoms of deficiency. 3. Choosing the wrong type of magnesium supplement. Not all magnesium supplements are created equal. Different forms of magnesium have different absorption rates and effects on the body. Some common forms include magnesium citrate, highly absorbable and often used to relieve constipation. Magnesium glycinate, gentle on the stomach and great for relaxation and sleep support. Magnesium oxide, poorly absorbed but commonly found in cheap supplements. Magnesium malate, good for energy production and muscle recovery. Magnesium L-threonate, supports brain function and cognitive health. Choosing the right type of magnesium for your specific needs is crucial for maximizing its benefits. 4. Taking too much magnesium at once. Another common mistake is consuming too much magnesium at one time. Taking high doses of magnesium supplements, especially in forms like magnesium citrate or oxide, can lead to diarrhea, bloating, and stomach discomfort. To avoid digestive issues, it's best to split your magnesium intake throughout the day and start with a lower dose, gradually increasing it as needed. 5. Ignoring magnesium absorption factors. Even if you consume enough magnesium, certain factors can interfere with absorption. These include excessive calcium intake. High calcium levels can compete with magnesium absorption. Poor gut health. Conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or leaky gut can hinder nutrient absorption. High sugar consumption. Excess sugar depletes magnesium levels in the body. Chronic stress. Stress hormones can lead to magnesium depletion. To improve magnesium absorption, maintain a healthy diet, manage stress, and ensure a balanced intake of nutrients. 6. Ignoring signs of magnesium deficiency. Many people experience symptoms of magnesium deficiency but don't realize the cause. Common signs include muscle cramps and spasms, fatigue and weakness, difficulty sleeping, anxiety or mood swings, headaches and migraines. High blood pressure. If you experience these symptoms regularly, it's essential to evaluate your magnesium intake and make necessary adjustments. 7. Not balancing magnesium with other minerals. Magnesium works closely with other minerals such as calcium, potassium, and zinc. A common mistake is taking too much magnesium without considering the balance of these nutrients. For example, magnesium and calcium should be consumed in the right ratio to support bone health and muscle function. Excessive calcium intake without sufficient magnesium can lead to muscle stiffness, poor sleep, and even heart issues. Ensuring a well-balanced intake of all essential minerals is key to optimal health. 8. Taking magnesium at the wrong time. When you take magnesium, it can impact its effectiveness. Here are some general timing guidelines. For sleep and relaxation, take magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate before bedtime. For energy and muscle recovery, take magnesium malate in the morning. For digestion and constipation relief, take magnesium citrate with meals. Adjusting the timing based on your health goals can maximize magnesium's benefits. 9. Not drinking enough water. With magnesium, magnesium requires adequate hydration to be properly absorbed and utilized in the body. Many people take magnesium supplements but fail to drink enough water, which can lead to dehydration and reduced effectiveness. Ensure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially when supplementing with magnesium. 10. Expecting instant results. Magnesium is a powerful mineral, but it doesn't work overnight. Some benefits, such as improved sleep and reduced muscle cramps, may be noticeable within a few days, while others, like increased energy and reduced anxiety, may take weeks to fully take effect. Consistency is key when it comes to magnesium intake. Stick to a healthy diet, manage stress, and take your supplements regularly to see lasting benefits. Conclusion. Magnesium is an essential mineral that many people overlook, leading to common mistakes that can impact overall health. By understanding these mistakes and making the necessary changes, you can optimize your magnesium intake and enjoy its full range of benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health-focused content. Let's take charge of our health together.